how to log into the NanoBanana AI. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for NanoBanana AI and navigate to its website. After you are in its website, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to log into your NanoBanana AI, you must have already created your account before. Here in this screen, at the top right corner, you can see 3 lines icon. Tap on it. You will see this kind of interface. Select the sign in option. If you haven't created your account, you can tap on the sign up option and create your account first. Once you create your account, you can use the same credentials in order to log into your account. If you have created your account using the Google account, you can select this continue with Google option. If you created your account using the email address, enter your email address over here. Once you do that, tap on continue. Enter the password of your registered account. After that, tap on this continue button and there you go. You are now successfully logged into your account. You can now enjoy accessing this NanoBanana AI website. That's a very simple process to log into your NanoBanana AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.